Today I want to talk about something that makes using Norwex even simpler, if that could be possible. That is our AutoSave program, because let's be honest, most of us, we don't run out of products at the most convenient time. It's usually when we're busy, we're tired, we're juggling 100 things, or our 16-year-old son drops a plate of spaghetti all over his white sweatshirt. Been there, and you look and you're out of laundry stain remover. AutoSave is basically the easiest way to keep your favorite products stocked up without having to remember to order. Now, one of the goals with Norwex is making safer choices simple. AutoSave helps remove the mental load of remembering what do we need and when do we need it, and did I order it or not. Your essentials just show up automatically, so your home stays consistent without a lot of extra effort. Now, people love AutoSave. With AutoSave, we save 10% on every reoccurring order automatically. That's the AutoSave part. And when our order reaches $150, we get free shipping automatically. That means we're saving without chasing down sales or remembering promo codes. Now, I want to be clear, because there's misconceptions out there about these auto programs. Norwex AutoSave is completely flexible. You're always in control. You can skip a shipment, change quantities, adjust how often the items ship. You can add or remove products. You can cancel anytime, and you can also add one-time items. You're always going to get an email about a week before the order processes, and you can edit, change, or skip it up to 24 hours before the order processes. So let's talk about what I have on AutoSave and what tends to work best for a lot of people. So most people start with the things that they use anyway. They use consistently, right? The laundry products, dish products, all-in-one bathroom cleaner, personal care, skincare refills, lotion. Ooh, the lotion refills, great thing. A lot of customers find that every 3 months works really well for the refills because it keeps things consistent without overstocking. No one wants a pile of stuff in the garage. It's super easy to set up. The next time you place an order, you want to look under eligible items, and it will say add to AutoSave. Select that, choose your frequency, and that's it. You'll automatically receive 10% off each reoccurring order. I recommend starting with every 3 months. Now, what if you want to edit a future AutoSave? Here's how you can access your AutoSave to make edits or add one-time items. To view or edit your AutoSave, log into your Norwex account. Click your name in the top corner, select Account Details, then click AutoSave. Here, you're going to see what is scheduled to ship next and the upcoming ship date. It's also super easy to manage your AutoSave subscriptions. Inside AutoSave, click All Subscriptions, and this is where you can skip a shipment if you don't need it yet, change how often something ships, adjust the quantities, cancel or update anything, anytime. AutoSave is designed to work around your life, not the other way around. Here's one of my favorite tips for customers because it saves us money and it keeps it really simple. If you have multiple AutoSave items scheduled at different times, you can log in and edit the ship date so that everything ships together in one box. That means fewer packages and easier to hit that free shipping and less packages on the road. Another great feature is that we can add one-time items to an upcoming AutoSave order. This is perfect if you want to try something new, buy a gift for someone, grab some extra Enviro cloths or body cloths, whatever. It's a great way to help you reach that $150 free shipping threshold too. One thing I personally love about AutoSave is that it helps so many families stay consistent with safer choices. We can't control everything outside our home. We can't control the ingredients in so many traditional products. But what we can control is what comes through our front door. And when our safer products just show up automatically, it removes the decision fatigue. The biggest feedback I hear from customers is that it's simple. People love never running out, no last minute store trips, no impulse purchases because we're out of something. Save money on shipping, save money on your products, and just trusting that they're going to arrive when you need them. And if you already know which products you love, AutoSave is honestly the easiest way to simplify your routine. Start with 1 or 2 essentials, adjust that order anytime, and let your home take care of itself a little bit more.